Making sense of past continuous tense. Irregular Verbs Masterclass. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: using irregular verbs in the past continuous tense. This might sound complicated at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be using irregular verbs in the past continuous tense with ease and confidence. Before we start, let's quickly remind ourselves what irregular verbs are. Irregular verbs do not follow the regular rules of past tense, which typically involve adding ed to the end of the base form. Examples include go, which becomes went in the past tense, not goed, or sing, which becomes sang, not singed. Now, let's move on to past continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. We form the past continuous tense with was or were, plus the base verb plus ing. For example, I was eating, they were singing, and so on. Remember, even if the verb is irregular, in past continuous tense we're looking at the ing form of the verb, which is the same for both regular and irregular verbs. So, how do we use irregular verbs in the past continuous tense? Easy. You use was or were plus the ing form of the verb. Let's look at a few examples. Go, I was going to the market when I met her. Sing, they were singing beautifully at the concert. Begin, we were beginning to worry when you finally arrived. Remember, the irregularity of the verb doesn't change its ing form or its use in the past continuous tense. The key to mastering the use of irregular verbs in the past continuous tense is practice. Try to create your own sentences using different irregular verbs in this tense. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And that's it for today's episode on using irregular verbs in the past continuous tense. Don't let the irregularity of these verbs intimidate you. They can be tamed with understanding and practice. Keep practicing and you'll soon find yourself using them effortlessly. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.